Alright guys, welcome back to the Wall Street LARPers. Today I'm going to be going over my exact day trading strategy. We're going to go over the exact same trade I took today that made me $600. So we're going to go over everything, the way I trade it, my strategy, go into replay mode. So what I like to do, the first thing I like to do is I like to hop on the chart around 9:15 just so I'm ready for market open at 9:30. The first thing I like to do is wait. So say the market, the first step is going to be say the market opens at 9:30. Market opens at 9:30. So right now, look, we're currently at 9:25. We want to be on the 15-minute time frame to analyze. So first, most important thing, we have to find our key level. Our key level. So the market opens at 9:30 today. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over here, and you're going to get your horizontal line, and we're going to mark the wick. We're going to mark wick to wick. This is the most important thing. So we mark the top of the wick, and we also mark the bottom of the wick. That's our opening. It's called our opening range breakout. That's what we're going to be using to monitor. So let's go right here. Perfect. So now we have the top of the wick. You never mark the actual candle or the body of the candle. You always want to mark from wick to wick, no matter what. It would be the same thing if it was a bearish candle, same thing if it's a bullish candle, doesn't matter. It's just we're marking out our key level. Okay, now once we have that marked out, we're going to switch to our 5-minute time frame. Super simple. Got that marked out. Now we switch to our 5-minute time frame. Okay, perfect. So now see how it's 9:40. That's how it would be in real time. Now all we want to do is we want to wait for a break either to the upside or to the downside. So we want this to either go like this or like this. So let's see where it goes. Okay, so we don't want to count the wick. You guys can see this little wick here. We never want to count the wick that's above. We always want to see the body of the candle close outside a little bit. It doesn't need to be the full candle, but we want to see a good piece of that candle above this top line. So let's play one more. Okay, perfect. Now we have a full body outside the line, which is perfect. Now it's going to say we're breaking out to the upside. So now we want to see it come into here, somewhere around here, to say want it to come in here. Okay. So let's go ahead and play that out. Perfect. So now we have a beautiful retest, beautiful candle that's inside. It can be the candle or the wick. I like to see a candle though, full candle. So now we have the candle that's closing in here, which is perfect. It doesn't matter about this. This is what we need to look at. So now what I would have done, exactly what I did this morning, is I go here to take my trade. I would be entering from exactly right there. I did 8 units, not 89, 8 units. I risked about $300 to make 600. Today was a beautiful day. It worked perfectly. Now let's go ahead and confirm that. And now let's see exactly how that would have played out. Boom, just like that, take profit was hit. Beautiful strategy. Took one trade and hit it. So exactly what you guys want to see. And honestly, it's super simple. I entered the trade at around 9:55, 10 o'clock, and I was done around 10:05, 10:10, and then I went on about my day. So it's, I really like this strategy. It's super simple to understand. And if you guys, if you have any questions about it, please just go ahead and leave it in the comments, because I'll definitely answer that for you guys. But let's go ahead and write out the steps. Let's do step 1. Step 1. Oops. Identify key levels. Step 1. Get rid of that. Step 1, simple. and done. Step 2. So observe where price breaks out to. It could be the upside like we saw here. Same thing if it goes to the downside. So where does price break out to? Above the blue lines we have marked, of course. Super simple. Step 2. And then step 3. So it can be the full candle. For example, it could have been like this if this was a bearish candle. Or it can be part candle like this. Or it could be a wick like this, but make sure the wick needs to come into here, and you would have to take the trade once the wick is here, so you have to time price a little bit more. That's why I recommend, having more of a part candle or a full candle come into here. So those are the steps to this strategy. Super easy, only 3 steps. I mean, doesn't get better than that. I'll definitely be doing more videos like this, going over my strategies and stuff like that. This is one of the strategies I use. So I hope you guys, enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please just leave them in the comments. It's actually a good win rate. It's around 80% win rate, which is like very impressive for a strategy. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.